Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold has already made a high of around $2686 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price keep moving over a level of around $2670 because the price has already moved below this particular level and now trading at a level of $2667, and chances are high if the price keep moving above this level. See, if the price started going above this particular level, what we can see, there will be a probability that it can go towards 2672 and from there a probability of going towards 2685. Okay, and then a further upside movement we can see, because see, this is the level which is an all-time high at this particular level, so chances will be high it will cross this level and can make a new high. And why we have seen a fall, because see, profit booking comes at whenever it is making a new high. If you look at all these charts, what we have seen, see, first high, if you look at from the month of year of 2020, what we have seen after making continuous rise, we have seen that whenever it is making a new high, it is a profit booking comes at these levels. You can see at this level, also this level, and they are creating a particular pattern. Now if you look at this particular zone, after this particular zone we could happen at this level, we have seen there is a rise and it has made around, we have seen in this particular month around 2-3 highs particularly, that means going higher and higher. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglife@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how we talk about the dollar index. What we can see, the dollar index is trying to go down. I have already explained you that the dollar index above a level of 101.5, we can see there can be a further upside movement, but the price now trading below this particular level, and chances are high if the price started going below a level of 100.5, a further downfall we can see, and from there it will move below a level of 100. Okay, once the price started falling below 100, we can see a level of 99.5, and from there will be a further downfall. Okay, and if the price keep moving over a level of 101.5, a further upside movement we can see to a level of 102, and if the price moving over this level, a further upside movement we can see. But if you understand and see that the price, when dollar index started going down, we see the price of gold goes up. Similarly, if the dollar started going down, we can see if the dollar started going upside, we see the gold price comes down. Okay, now looking at suppose if we look at this particular trend, chances are very high that it can go further low. So we see how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, suppose if the price sustains this level, I have already explained that it can go towards a level of $2672, and if it sustain above this level 2670, chances are high it can go towards 2672 again. And once the price moving over this level, we can see a level of 2685, okay, which is an all-time high, and chances are high it can go further upside. 2685.8, that is around $2686. This is an all-time high, so you have to understand it can go further upside towards a level of 2700 also, and then to a level of 2720, and to a level of 2750. See, these are the upside probability we cannot guess. We can see it can go towards 2800 also, but what you can do best, you can trail your SL by around $7 because the volatility is not that high. Okay, once the volatility is high or some event is coming, you can trail by $10 so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, suppose then what we can see, it can come down towards a level of $2663. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, we can see it can come towards 2655. Suppose if the price falling below 2655, a probability of going towards 2648 will be there, and once the price falling below a level of 2648, a probability of going towards 2638 will be there. Okay, and if the price moving below that particular level, a chance of touching 2634 will be there, and if the price moving below that level, a level of 2624 will be there. You have to understand that the volatility what we have seen in the 2 to 3 days, that it has made a new high and a further high we have seen. So if the price started falling below 2624, a probability will be very high. We can see it will fall further down towards a level of around $2614, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2601. Okay, and once the price falling below a level of 2601, we can see there will be a further fall towards a level of 2584, and from there a further downfall, because this is the range where the price can go. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,